Hi, my name is Dr. Kim Shepard, and I'm the president, CEO, and lead team doctor here at Align Family Wellness. Thank you for choosing us for your chiropractic and acupuncture needs. We know you have choices, and we are so grateful that you chose us. We've been in the Decatur Forsyth area for over 20 years, and I've been in practice almost 25 years. So we are welcoming you to our office. We have a wonderful team of doctors that are ready to serve you. And I just wanted to take a minute to walk you through the process of your day one visit so you know what to expect when you walk in the door. What we hope is that this is an experience unlike you've had at any other doctor's office, especially a chiropractic office. We are customer service oriented, and we are just so grateful that you are choosing us for your care. And so, in your text messages, you will have gotten a link to your online patient paperwork. And so, if you could fill that out at your earliest convenience, we will get that automatically as soon as you hit the submit button. And that gives our doctor time to review your paperwork before your appointment. So we are very conscientious of your time, and so we want to run on time, and we value your time. So we want everything to run as smoothly as possible. So when you first arrive, you will have a few extra forms to fill out right there in the office, but hopefully it doesn't take much time at all. Once you're called back, we will take you on an office tour just so you know where the restrooms are and kind of the lay of the land. Then we'll take you back and take your vitals. We will take your blood pressure and just check your pulse and your temperature, making sure that you are feeling okay that day and everything looks good. Then we'll take you back to one of the rooms and you will get a consultation with the doctor. So, one of the three of us team doctors will do your consultation. We are there to listen to you. We're listening to why you're here, what you've got going on, what you've tried, what hasn't worked, and what we can do to help you. And so, your goals are our goals. And so, we really want to achieve those goals with you. So after your consultation, the doctor will probably have you change into a gown so we can assess your spine better. And we will perform a full orthopedic and neurologic exam. So that gives us more information as to what structures are involved in your pain or discomfort. Then the doctor will sit down and talk to you, kind of lay out a little bit of a plan, look at your imaging, order imaging if we need to. If you are getting acupuncture and we have time, you will be moved to the acupuncture room for your first session that day. If you're here for chiropractic care, your doctor will determine if it's safe to perform any sort of treatment on you that day or if they need more time to reevaluate your condition. And we will also then be performing your neurologic scans. We are a nervous system based chiropractic office, which is different than any other chiropractic office in Macon County. We believe that the nervous system is the master controller of everything. And so if your nervous system is not functioning well, you're not going to heal. And so we measure it. What is the best thing is that we can measure it and we can do progress checks along the way. So yes, we care that your pain is better, but we also want your nervous system functioning well. So you'll get three scans. One is called heart rate variability, which will check for the amount of stress that you are under. So if you are under too much stress, you're not going to heal. So we like to know where you are at in that heart rate variability scale. Then we're also going to measure your muscles and we're going to measure your nerves. And so these scans have no emissions, no radiation. They take less than 10 minutes to perform. So it goes pretty quick and easy, but it gives us a huge amount of information. And so the doctor will sit down and review your scans at your follow-up visit when you come back for day two. But these scans are really important to us and they can tell us how long it's going to take for you to get better. And we are not a let's see how we do chiropractic office. We are a care plan based office. We want you to know exactly the amount of treatment that it's going to take for you to get better and how long it's going to take, how long you're going to be here, and how much it's going to cost because we know you have all those questions and we want to be very, very upfront from the start about what treatment looks like and what your care plan is. So that will wrap up day one. If you have questions, we have all the time you need. So make sure you get all your questions answered. But you will be back for day two when we sit down and go over those scans and create a full treatment plan for you and go over all of your finances and set up a budget for you. Make sure it fits within your window that you can afford because we would love to keep you in care. So if you have any questions, you can always text back the text message that you got. That is a two-way texting system, or give our office a call. We would love to speak to you, and we cannot wait to see you for your first visit in our office.